Hi dosto, thank you for watching my videos, and today I am going to explain you regarding the hospitalization claim reimbursement or cashless claim reimbursement. So please watch my video till the end so that you could able to understand this thing that okay mean how I have utilized the cashless policies, the cashless scheme. Okay, while when my father got hospitalized, so how I avail the cashless scheme of Mediclaim, or what to do whenever you had you come to this situation where you have to admit your parent or yourself. So what to do, I mean, if you get to know that okay I will be I have to admit my parent or my father, my mother, or myself to the hospital. So first thing you must do is to go to the Medibuddy, okay, uh, website and search for the network hospital. This is the first and foremost thing, and then based on your location, they will suggest some network hospital. Okay, so it is advisable if you see any network hospital, then try to admit your parent to that hospital. What's the reason behind this? I mean, why it is advisable? The first and foremost reason for this is that you can avail a cashless facility due to this. Now comes the second thing, that what is the benefit of this cashless facility? And the second question is this, that how much they will pay. Okay, so these two questions I will try to explain you here. So the first and foremost thing you will do is that you see the website, go to the website, see the network hospital, and intimate a cashless hospitalization. Okay, go there and then just intimate the cashless hospitalization. Now, okay, so what I did the same. I went there, I went there, I searched for the cashless hospital, and then I told my sister to admit my parent to this hospital only. At first the doctor said that okay, admit him on some other nursing home, but when I realized that that nursing home is not within the network hospital of the Medibuddy, so I asked my sister to admit her to some other hospital, okay, which is among this. So he suggests one name, so doctor suggested one name, and we admit our parent there. So now what happened in when we went there, since doctor had written that okay I admit the patient, we my father got admitted there. Now what I was thinking that okay we have to submit some money there also, so I took some money from the ATM. But when we went there, thing went smooth, and they admitted my parent, and I said that okay we are having a Mediclaim. So they did not ask for anything and said that okay in the morning at 10 a.m. In the insurance counter you have to meet that person, and then we will start the process. Meanwhile, we are admitting your father. So our father got admitted, and he got the twin sharing room. In we at the time of admission I shown the e-card. So through e-card he admitted my parent in twin sharing room, and then in the morning when the insurance person come and help desk got open, so I went there, and then I download this e-card. Okay, and meanwhile I called to e-buddy helpline, which is this. Okay, I called to this number, and took the information that what I have to need. Okay, and here also you can see that all the things are written very clearly that you have to bring this. So I bring this card. Along with this, I bring my ID proof. Okay, and I took my father ID proof also. So in the morning, when the insurance guy come, I submitted those things, and my father got admitted. So in this way, I admitted my parent. Now now comes the charging, that how much they charge or how much we have to pay. So when we were admitting, at a time of admit, the helpline person said that okay, you have to pay 10% of whatever bill will happen. You have to pay the 10% of that, since you are not informed us 74 2 hours earlier. So there is one case that if you have a time, then always initiate your e-cashless. Okay, if you initiate that before admitting your parent or before admitting yourself, uh, for, I mean, I would say 20, 72 hours before, then you don't have to pay anyone any penny. So, for example, my father had 20,000 bill. Okay, out of the 20,000, the 18,000 were reimbursed, and for 2,000, it was said that we have to pay. And other than that, some extra charges like the IR charge. I mean, in nursing home, there is a thing called, okay, we can have one lady who could take over, who could take care of your parent. Okay, so we had an IR. So only whatever fees it was determined for her, we only paid that. And other than that, we only paid the court charge. I mean, once we hospitalize him, then some channel, mean, through which the water goes into the body, so that channel we have to buy. So and we have, and that does not come within the claim. So at the end of a day, when my father was getting released, I asked that okay, how much expense expensive it was and how much we have to pay. So I got the bill that okay, you have to pay 2,000, and then for non-medical expense, you have to go to the other billing counter and you have to pay that. So in non-billing counter, the higher charge whatever was there, we have paid. And other than that, non-medical expense like the court, we have to pay only 400, around 4 to 500. So at the end of a day, we just have to pay whatever the higher charge and the 500 rupees, the card, okay, that which has been taken into the non-medical expense. Now regarding the charge, mean for the hospital bell bed and the doctor fees and all those things, all the money were reimbursed. And since this was a known nursing home to us, so what nursing home did it make it give 10% discount to us. So whatever money we have to pay to the which was not covered in the insurance, cashless insurance, that was discounted to us by the hospital or nursing home, so we don't have to pay any money for that. So I hope I have explained all the process, that what I have done, how much you have to pay during the hospitalization. Now some test was done before hospitalization, and a post hospitalization also some medicine was given by the doctor. So what about that? So on next day when my father come home, on next day I called to them that okay, what about that? I mean, whether we have to claim those into in uh, domi reimbursement, or it would be a part of a hospitalization. So the doctor said, I mean, actually, the helpline person said that, okay, no, you don't have to claim in a DOMI reimbursement, you have to claim in hospitalization reimbursement. Okay, so you have to fill all the details that for whom you are doing this. And on fourth page, on this declaration, you have to select that, okay, it was post hospitalization or pre hospitalization. See, it's a, yeah. So here is pre post claim. So here we have to go and we have to select the pre post claim. So here what will happen, that whatever money we have spent for investigation, So here what will happen, whatever money we have given for investigation, okay, those money will be reimbursed, okay, as a part of a hospitalization. So on fourth page on declaration, we have to select this free post of hospitalization, and whatever money it will I will spend within 90 days of hospitalization, those can be reimbursed through here. So in this way, we don't have to pay any hospital bill other than the IR charge and 500 for the court charge. And pre-hospitalization mean, I would say 2 3,000, some X-rays, some blood tests, and all those things, and 1 and 1.5 thousand the doctor medicines and doctor bills. So those we don't have to pay. Even after that, after post hospitalization, when whatever medicine or whatever uh, hospital, mean doctor give the medicine after after the release, so those also we can claim through here. So don't worry, mean even if your parent or some person go to the hospitalization, mean do this step. So at the end of at the end of the day, you don't have to pay much amount. Mean actually this was the first time when I utilized this scheme. I mean for past 4 or 5 years I am insured, but never by the grace of God never got this thing happened to me that I have to admit someone to the hospital. But this time happened, and I have utilized my Mediclaim cashless facility in this way, so that I don't have to pay much money during my hospitalization. I hope I have explained everything regarding this, regarding the hospitalization policy and how to avail cashless policy. So I always says that okay, whenever you need an hospitalization, always go to the network hospital. Okay, select the network hospital and then go there. I mean, those will provide you a cashless scheme, and through that cashless, your headache would be quite less. I was very impressed with this facility by the MediaSys. So I hope I have explained you everything regarding what you need to do, how you can avail the maximum reimbursement, or how to avail the cashless facilities. So if you have liked my videos, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel. So thank you and bye bye.